Hey everyone, welcome back for another car wash video. We are in Newmarket, Ontario, and we're here at a Canadian Tire car wash. The reason why I'm showing you the tires of this big cargo van, which is the van we're putting through the wash, I purchased a ultimate wash, and it was described as the ultimate wash with tire shine. Now, the tires on this are just fairly dull, just kind of the dull charcoal color or whatever. So we're gonna test to see if it's worth getting this tire shine option. We'll see how well they do the tires. You can see the rest of the truck is pretty clean, but this wash came to $15 and change. So for Newmarket, it's less money than the Esso that we did, but more than the Petro-Canada and Kiss car wash. Now, with that being said, with the purchase of this Ultimate Wash with Tire Shine, you get a free bottle of Simonize. See if I can focus on it here. Simonize all-purpose, there we go, all-purpose cleaner, 120 ml. So use it on your steering wheel or dash or whatever, kind of to clean the inside of your vehicle. So I thought that was neat. I mean, hey, it was free with it. At least they're giving you something a little extra. So this car wash location is also on, whoops, sorry for the camera, is also on Yonge Street, just past the Upper Canada Mall, if you're familiar with that, in Newmarket, which is their main and possibly only mall in this area. They have a country style donuts inside the gas bar there. And there it is, kind of sitting there up on the hill. There we go. Now it's a touchless system, Simonize Touchless. Well, whoa, we just, ooh, actually we didn't clear that. The roof rubbed that that bar, so hopefully we're gonna be okay here. We'll soon see. We might make it, we might not.
Please place your car in neutral and enter your 5-digit code.
Alright, and where is my code here? There it is. 80483.
Your code has been accepted. Please ensure your car is in neutral. Do not brake or steer. Relax and enjoy the wash.
Okay. So this looks similar to the one in Brantford, Ontario. It has a Simonize. This thing is trying to push us in. There we go. Yeah, it looks like we'll be able to clear everything. Starting us off with a pre-soak. Not the best of coverage on the passenger side. Looks like it only did the bottom half of your window. Yeah, it's only doing the bottom half of these, the bottom half of the vehicle, but in the center it seems to be doing all right. Now it's doing a tri-foam, which is getting nothing on the windshield. The coverage on the tri-foam is better on the sides. Back.
Oh no!
Oh, there we go, doing the big high pressure rinse here. It's a Echo dryer system. Doesn't seem to be doing anything on the passenger side for the dryers. Oh wait, no, I'm wrong, now it is. Kind of just stopped here. Oh, there we go. All right. Let's see how well this did, because it didn't seem very consistent. I will say the smells in that were very good. Now, this isn't going to be a fair chance to really look at the tires though, because if they're wet, they're going to look shiny, but the question is, will they stay afterwards? Wow, the driver's side is really dry from top to bottom. That's pretty dry. The back is really wet, so the back didn't dry at all, and the passenger side, basically from the halfway mark down in that, we got you can hear my belt squealing in there because it's so wet. So yeah, the dryers were really good on the driver's side, a little weak on the passenger, and didn't work really hardly at all on the yeah, and see, this is drying already around here, and it didn't do anything. It didn't make them shiny at all. So I think it's an extra maybe $1 to $2 to get the Ultimate with the tire shine. So if you want to get the tri-foam and everything like that, you got to get the Ultimate. But I would recommend doing the Ultimate without the tire shine. The tire shine definitely doesn't have any value to it. And I'll put in the comment, or I'll put in the description afterwards, once I get to my next destination. Then by then the tires will be completely dry, and I'll let you know if there was any change. But actually, it's kind of neat. There's a pickup in front, and I don't know how well you can see there, but his tire's got a bit of a shine to it on the sides. Now, he probably did that himself, detailing it, but the Suds car wash that I go to in Hamilton, that I've done a review on previously, they offer the tire shine, and I will say, in most cases, probably 70 to 80% of the time, your tires come out actually nice and shiny. So similar to the pickup truck in front of me there. But yeah, here doesn't seem to have done much of anything at all. So if you're in this area and you want to do this Canadian Tire car wash, just do the ultimate. Don't do the ultimate with tire shine. All right. Hope you enjoyed it. Let us know what you think in the comments below. If you liked it, hit that like button. And thanks for the support. We look forward to seeing you on the next one. Bye-bye.